one of the biggest mistakes, I think, I used to sell on eBay a lot of trains. Now, I noticed lately on eBay, a lot of people is paying attention to the brand Tomy. People is paying a high price for any model engine that is Tomy. Now, I want to tell you something. Hit Toy Company, Mattel, or Tomy, they look almost the same. Something just it's just about the brand. It's the same thing. But here is what I'm trying to say. Every day you can see on eBay here in the US and actually on UK and Australia, you can find these listings from the brand Tomy. You can find 5 to 10 listings daily about a lot or a single item. So stop buying those models for a higher price. Does the same happen to the model engine Oliver? Oliver, you can find it on UK for 13 euros or 20 bucks or $15, whatever you want to say, $15, $20, or maximum of 30 bucks, because I've been watching eBay UK and I don't get it. Why you guys are paying too much only because it says Tomy? That's ridiculous. I mean, you can find these models every day. I mean, every day on eBay. If you want to buy the brand Tomy, you can find them for $5, $10, 20 bucks. For example, Henry. But I see that there are some, excuse my vocabulary, but there are some stupid people that are paying like a 40 bucks for a model engine that costs only $10 or $15. I don't get it. What's wrong with you guys? When I used to sell on eBay, I used to put, for example, a $10 model engine, and I noticed that some people don't buy my model engine. What I did is I increased the price at 30 bucks and it's sold like this. I don't know what's going on with you guys. Why you guys like the high price? It's the same thing. I mean, it's only because it's expensive. That's what you guys like it. I don't get it. I don't know what's going on with you. Stop buying only because it say Tomy. I understand Plarail, you guys are paying a high price. The other day I was looking, a model engine sold for $35 only because it said Tomy Plarail used. And then you can find the same model engine from Japan, including shipping, for $30 free shipping, brand new. I don't get it. What's going on with you guys? I mean, Tomy, look, I have a lot of Tomys, and I used to buy, I mean, these are from James, and I'm customizing these James. Look, there is a lot of Tomy. Here is my point. You can find these models every day, a lot. It's not only one. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, if you guys want to pay the prices, that's okay. But I wish you to stop doing that, because you're gonna increase the price. The same with Oliver. Oliver, it's cheap. I mean, you can buy it for 20 bucks on UK plus shipping. But I don't know. Anyways, bye.